Red color A. A for avocado. B. B for balloon. Parrot green color C. C for caterpillar. D. D for doll. Pink color E. E for eagle. F. F for fan. Blue color G. G for gun. H. H for house. Purple color I. I for ink. J. J for jelly.
Farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes
Orange color K. K for kangaroo.
the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi ho the dairy-o, the wife
L
takes
for
the child.
lamp.
The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi ho the dairy-o, the child takes
Red color triangle.
the nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes
Parrot
the
green
dog,
color
the cow
heart.
takes the dog. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi ho the dairy-o, the
Pink
dog
color
takes the cat.
pentagon.
The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse.
Blue color
Takes the
square.
cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cheese
Orange color
stands alone.
circle.
Hi ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Very good guys, today we have learned A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Triangle, heart, pentagon, square, circle. Like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.